Hello everyone, glad to see you back on the channel. Today, we're doing a full review of our Texa welding machine. The machine does not operate in sub-zero temperatures. This is a factory defect, not just a protection feature or anything like that. The design is faulty. I'll show you a practical way to operate this machine in cold weather. I'm going to show you a method that a lot of welders secretly try. And now I'll show it to you too. This is how they're using it in this condition. Take a simple blanket, wrap the welder well with it, and if you sleep hugging it together at night, it will work better.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yes, just kidding. Friends, but some pros really try this. But this doesn't really work for me. We take a blanket and make some changes inside the welder. Of course, we received about 10 of these machines and repaired all of them. We're going to modify this welder to work in cold conditions and make sure all parts operate flawlessly. Watch the video all the way to the end. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with a friend. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's open up our welding machine. By the way, this is our T8645 welding machine. There's a small board inside a large case. This welding machine has been repaired before. When buying a welding machine, make sure to check it carefully. The internal design of this Texa welder is pretty good. There are two bridge circuits, two sets of 4 transistors. Output diodes are good. The wire for the boost system is hooked up. The power block has transistors along with the control unit to brain of the machine. A current transformer checks the output current, and a snubber circuit handles nose at the output. It has anti-sticking and turbo boost systems, which is a good thing. We're going to make this machine able to operate in sub-zero temperatures. By the way, this unit has been repaired before. The repair process is complete, so now let's test the machine. Now it also works reliably in cold temperatures. Right now, the mains voltage is 220 V. We tested it at a lower voltage, and it delivered 60 amps of current. At maximum current setting, the welder delivers about 110,120 amps. Let's test it at low current, starting with 150 V. At that voltage, it delivers about 110,120 amps under load. Even at lower current settings, this machine still operates reliably. So, even at low voltage, the machine strikes the electrode well. As I mentioned, some basic Chinese welders work at low voltage, but they have no protection system. They just provide current and keep running. Our type of welder, however, has a protection system. If the load is too high, the transistors can be damaged, and the unit will shut down to prevent failure. Let's switch back to 220 V. Even at 150 V, the current output is about the same amperage as before. This means our welder keeps working even at low voltage. Be careful when using the machine, and don't overheat it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. See you next time.